Howdy folks, it's Saturday, January 4, 2020. What we see here is two stiles, one for one door, one for another. Stiles are the pieces that go straight up and down. And what I'm doing is gluing them here. I have a lot of clamps on here. In fact, I have every clamp that I pretty much own, and certainly everyone that's not in service right now on something else. So what we'll do is tomorrow I'll take the clamps off. This will be the stiles for bedroom number 3. And what I'll do is go over here and put the veneer on at least one kick plate, and then these are rails, you know, the top and the middle rail, so that Monday, if I wanted to, and I probably will, I'd be able to start working on cleaning these up and doing those. Monday I would also, because I'll use clamps to clamp those kick plates and rails. Monday then I would do another set of these stiles. This will be the doors for bedroom number 3. Over here, Linda has put the wet conditioner on, and she has one coat of varnish on the top. It's still wet. You can see some spots where it's wet, but boy, I'll tell you, that really looks nice. I'm just really impressed with it all. So that's about it. Here's what the office area is looking like with the credenza and the overhead cabinets in. Obviously someday we'll drywall this down here, but in the meantime, this gives me a working area to do my computer work and the like. And then when we do get this drywalled, and we'll have somebody do it, we'll have to take the cabinetry down so that that can be accomplished. Thanks for following our progress.